Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be buying new S&P 500 shares. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be a little tutorial, so let's go. So guys, today we're going to be buying some new S&P 500 shares because of course, you know, we really love us some S&P 500. It's one of the most favorite ETFs that Warren Buffett also owns, which is of course also why it's one of our staple investments. As you can see here in our portfolio as well, we already own 8 shares. Today we're going to be making that 9 shares. So we're going to be buying one more share of the S&P 500 UCITS ETF. There's a couple of ways that you can do in order to find this ETF. So you can just search it on the top left corner, where you can just put in the S&P 500 and then you'll see it as well. But you can also put it in your favorites, or of course if you already own it, it will already be in your portfolio. So that will be one of the most easiest things to do. Just press the tracker that you want. In this case, Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF USD. And you can see currently it's being trading at around 69 euros. But if we look at the 6-month performance, we indeed see that the price has decreased quite a little bit. But as you know, we really love to invest in a dollar cost averaging, a DCA, which is why we don't really care about the day-to-day value of the ETF. We mainly care about the long-term returns of the ETF. That is why it doesn't really matter if it's low or high, and actually we see it as a discount currently because it used to be trading at 80 euros and now we can already buy one share for 69 euros. So what we're going to do is press the buy button, and then we're going to be entering the quantity right here and then the amount of money that we're willing to pay for it. Well, as you can see currently the bid price is changing up and down a little bit. We want to make sure that it directly gets pushed through the system, so I'm going to put it as a 6995 in, but you can of course just do it at the minimal price. By the way guys, if you like this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's place the order. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to place the order. About the DEGIRO fees, well, as you can see, because it's part of the free selection of the DEGIRO, we are going to be paying 0 euros a fee. I'm going to be buying 1 share, which is perfect. So now we're going to say confirm. A couple seconds later, we just now received the confirmation, and now we can see that indeed we currently own 9 shares of the Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF, which is very easy. As you can see guys, it was just a couple of clicks. If you already have the money in your account, it's very easy. By the way, if you don't know how to deposit money into your account, then please watch one of our previous videos in which we actually explain to you in just a couple of steps how to actually deposit the money into your account. And as you can now see, we own 9 shares. So if you go back to the trackers, the portfolio overview, you will see that now we own 9 shares of S&P 500, which is exactly what we want, guys. So I hope you liked this video. It was a very quick little tutorial on how to buy more S&P 500 shares. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.